Hello guys, welcome to Learn More Technology, and today will be the last session of your HTML. So today we are going to learn about how to use a form tag. Okay, while we create a different kind of forms like registration form, sign up form, login form. Okay, so just start from the scratch. First, we create a basic HTML structure. So from here, this one. Okay, and inside this body tag we will create a form tag. Okay, form tag, simply we write like this and just press enter. Okay, so here you see we have got a action attribute also, but action attribute will not be necessary for now because action attribute will work only on the server, but now we are working on the local web page. Okay, that is not online, that is not live page. Okay, this is not a live page, this is a local page. So this action attribute mainly works on a live page. Actually, that action attribute is helpful for a backend process. Okay, so whatever we are just learning here, just a front end developer courses. Okay, so front end developer course, what we actually learning here that front end is mainly designing the user interface web page. What is actually visible to us? Okay, what is actually visible to us that if you just open the Flipkart or Amazon or any website, whatever you see on the page, that is because of front end developer made that user interface. User interface means that whatever the options we are just watching on the page, it is clear visible to us. Okay, so we have to remove this action attribute for now because it is not a live page now, this is a local page. So we have to create a simple uh, form like a registration form or any kind of form. So from here you have to start our first section like a name section. So for creating a name section we have to use a p tag and curly bracket. This is a shortcut, I'm using a shortcut. Okay, so that we can save our time by just writing all the things manually. Okay, so see, P inside curly bracket, we just specify name section like this. Simply we press the enter. Okay, let's see. So this is how looks like in your web page. Then we have to specify the input type. What should be the input type? Okay, because input type should be the text because we want to use the letter to write our name. So for writing letter, we have to specify the type of the input text. Okay. So see, after we mention here, so see input we got many suggestions, and in this all suggestion we want only text input. Okay. So for text input, we have to do like this. Okay. So we got this name attribute and ID attributes. So these all things are not necessary, but I'm telling you, you can specify the name also. What should be the name? Yeah, text or anything else. Or ID is helpful for just like it's a unique ID. It is helpful while you just mention the label tag. Here, label tag is very much useful for those people who have a very short eyesight problem. Eyesight problem means that normal people with a normal eyesight, they can see the name letter very clear on the web page. Okay, but the person with a very weak eyesight, they can't able to read the name also. So the label tag is actually used in that case for the low eyesight problem. Okay, people with low eyesight, they can read very properly on the web page whatever the section has been written, whatever the content has been written on the web page, on the registration form. Like this is name section or email section or address section, whatever the section has been defined in this form tag has been just created in the registration form, they can read very easily, okay, by using the label tag. Because what actually the label tag is doing here, and by using the label tag, Google will just read each section and each boxes and each placeholder. If we just mention the placeholder, suppose we are mentioning here placeholder also, placeholder, okay. So placeholder, if we mention here placeholder, so see, so here we mentioned the placeholder, so see it's written over here id. So id, why it is written id, we don't have to write like this id, we have to write this one, enter your name, okay. So you have put your put some text in this placeholder, but if you just write if you want to write some name, so it will, this enter your name text will get replaced by your name. If you write KUM, so see, after I have written this three letter, so enter your name got replaced by this three letter, okay. So this is how this form, this is how this input text and placeholder attribute make some effect on the on your registration form, okay. You don't have to specify this id for now, we can ignore this for now, okay. Now this is our name section. Now let us see about next section, that is our email, okay. So for email, we like write like this email, okay, and just simply press on the enter button, okay. So we can see this is very clear view on the web page. Now on the next line we will do like this input. So here also we have to specify the correct input type, okay. So we have chosen the email section, so for that email section we can choose the type as a email type, okay, email type input. So for choosing the input email type input email, so there is an option, just click on this simple, okay. So like this we got so many attributes option, but we just need only type for now on, okay. So here you can specify your email id, okay. And in the next, in the next section we will create like this. Here we will create what we will create, okay. Here also name, wait, I remove it, where we have mentioned this one, okay. Now it is perfect, okay. So in the next section we will provide a password, okay. Simply we write here password, wait, make this also capital. Now this is perfect, okay. Yeah, this is password section, okay. So password section we will give our password, okay. Whatever the password we have created for our email id, we can give it. Just simply press okay, wait, like this, okay, wait, we will give like this, okay. This is very perfect, yeah. And we will specify the input type. So for the password, we will choose the input type password. So if you choose the type as a password, what will happen, whatever the letter you will type from your keyboard, okay, or number, it will automatically convert into star symbol. So star symbol, usually you have all seen on the web page when you try to fill all the details on the registration form or login page. Then when you just get inside the password section, when you just try to give a password in the password section, then you see that whatever you type the letter from your keyboard or number, so it automatically get changed into star symbol. Okay, star symbol, it get changed. Okay, so let's see how it works. So here we have to choose a like this. We have to choose this one. Input. This is a type password. Okay, this is a type password. Just simply click on this, and we will see like this. I have to remove all these things. Yeah, you see. So I'm typing this Tyre, R from the number side 4789. So I have typed the letter and number also, but it got converted into star symbol. This is how password input. This is how we specify the type password here in the input section. So it is visible to us like this. Okay. How yeah. So we can put a more section here like a address section. Address. Wait. We use P also. P tag. So P tag, and here we write address. Okay, and we will specify the input type as a text area. So why text area? Why not address? No, for address there is a input type should be text area. Why? Sometimes our address is very much big. Okay, very much big. Suppose your address is too much big that in this small box it is limited. Okay, this box is limited, have a limited size. Okay, so if you write this one, it, suppose so this is very weird, this is very much weird. Okay, so your word limit will get increased, but it will not be visible. So whole letter will not be visible to us inside this kind of box. For the complete address that we specify, so we will just apply here text area, so that how much long the words are of the address, the specific address, according to that this box will elongate. Okay, this box get increase in size. Okay, suppose here I mention here input, I show you, and text area, we got a emit suggestion also. Text area, just simply just click on this text area. Okay, text area name. So just remove this all first. Text area, you see here. So this we got a box like this, a box like this here. You see there, here's an arrow like this. Okay, just hold on this arrow and just expand this as much as you can. Okay, see how interesting. But it will be so big. Okay, don't we don't want so much big as a giant. Okay. Yeah, there, no, this here. Yeah, this is the perfect size of an address box. Yeah, this is how it works. Okay, and next is your, after all the details you just fill in this name section, email section, password section, address section. So after all of these things, we simply put here button. Okay, it could be any kind of button like a login button, sign up button, or submit button. Okay, so for creating the button, just type here button. Okay, so here also the type of button, also what kind of button you want to select: reset button, disable button, reset button, submit button. So I will select a submit button. Okay, so type attribute, and submit has been selected in this kind of operation. So after all the details you will fill, and after you clicking on the submit button, you all the details will go to the backend side. So backend will just keep all your details like name, email, password, your address, or anything else. What else you just create a section in this so that this all detail will get saved into one of the database. Okay, so database means SQL, MySQL, or Oracle, Microsoft SQL, like something. Okay, so here, so in this way, that process works behind the system, behind the screen. That is called backend process. All the detail will get saved into one of the database. Okay, see, after, yeah, we have to name this also button. So submit button should be like this, submit button. Okay, you will see this submit button like this. So let's go to the web page. Okay, click on the refresh button. Yeah, it is visible to us. Now one by one we just clear mention all the fill all the details one by one. So name Kumar. Okay, email Kumar. Let us see what will happen if I just write only Kumar. Okay, yeah. Password, anything else? Okay. Address, BTM layout, Bangalore. Let us see what will happen after we click on submit button. See. We got an option, we got a suggestion also here in the email side. So on the email side, we got a suggestion like this. Please include an this one at the rate in the email address. Kumar is missing an at the rate. Oh, so because we have selected the input type as an email. So what the developer has built this input, they have mentioned all the details that must be filled in this section. So we have missed this symbol. Okay, so we will mention this symbol. Now see, new message is also here. Please enter a bar following at the rate Kumar at the rate is incomplete. So it is incomplete. Okay, so it is incomplete. We have to complete this. We have to give the domain name. Okay, so domain name should be yahoo.com, gmail.com, or reddit.com, yeah, hotmail.com. Any kind of things you can mention it here, whatever you use. Okay, so Kumar at the rate of gmail.com, you can write over here. So see, red line has been vanished from here, so it is correct detail in the correct format. Ignore this red line. Okay, maybe this is there is a, you know, capital letter problem or small letter. That's not a big issue, so you can ignore it. Okay, and after clicking on this submit button, oh, so see, we got a suggestion. We got a here save password suggestion also. We don't have to save password. Okay, so in this way, our form tag is being used in the industries for creating any kind of form, user interface form like login page form, or any contact us page form, any kind of form we create in the industries or in the school or any places. Okay, so in this way, this is my dummy kind of email. Okay, so don't focus on these things. Okay, we click on this never. Yeah, in this way. So so in this way, you can put another section also, like a file section. Suppose I mention here submit file. Wait, here I will mention, from here I will mention before the address we will mention. No, here after the address. Suppose p curly bracket select your file, whatever the file you have kept in your system, in your folder. Okay, folder of your Windows C or Window D, E, or F. Select your file. You can select file from there. For selecting the file, for opening that portal from the web page to your system. Okay, so what we have to do is like press enter over here, and from here we will specify the input type. What should be the input type? The input type should be like this. Input type, this is file we want, file. And yeah, here, just simply press enter. We got this one. Okay. So here is, you see, choose file option you get here. So this is a kind of button. Okay, choose file is a kind of button. If you click on this simple, yeah, so this kind of portal has been opened. So you can choose your different for different file and folder where you have kept your specific folder you want to submit on here. You can choose from here. Okay, like this. So just remove this one. This is unnecessary came here along with this tag. Okay. This one. Yeah. So this is how we just create a different section, and we can specify the input type for a different section also. Just like we have specify the input type text for the name section, and here the type email for the email section, password for the password section, here text area for the address section, because address mainly is very big address. Okay, very letters words are very much big, okay, in the address section, because somebody has a very big address. Okay, too much big address. So for that, this box get increase in size, expand according to the words. Okay, this much, this much. Okay, so in this way you can do like this. Okay, yeah, this is a perfect size. Okay, so guys, this is your final HTML tutorial. Okay, and this form tag I have just taught you because this is very much important to learn, because in many industries, many companies, you get to just create a contact us form for a company, for a specific company that you work on, and this is how you can create the form. Okay, so guys, keep up practicing. Okay, if you do more practicing, honestly you will get a confidence while you're using different tags, different section tags, or header, footer, whatever it is, attributes, tags, elements. So you will get a more logic in your mind. Okay, you will create a more logic. Okay, regarding to that specific tag that you're using while creating some content on your website. Okay, for your website or for your company website. So that's why this is my final suggestion as a trainer, that all of you guys who are watching this video in the Learn More Technology, please try to do more practicing. Okay, if you do more practicing, there will be a more logic build up, and there will be more confidence build up. Okay, and your journey will be easy to go in the MNC company or any kind of company. Okay, and don't ever pressurize your brain. Okay, there's nothing to remember in your mind. Okay, need to do practicing. Okay, just do practice. Okay, just do simple practice. This all thing will get very easy to remember. No need to pressurize your brain to just recalling the same text like this, after head tag or what it will come. Okay, title tag. Okay, and then after title tag, what should be their body tag? No need to do like that. Okay, just put your finger on your laptop buttons, just crawling it, type, tip, tap. Okay, do like that. Use some tags, use some name section, whatever you want to create those content, and you will build up your confidence and logic also. Okay, guys, bye. See you all and have a good journey.